Hello, MotorsportReg organizers. This is Tim from the MotorsportReg Success team. I have a couple features that I wanted to show you that are available within the program here today, mainly to do with sorting your attendees and entries. So let's go over to our registrations in my little test event here, and I'll show you what we're talking about. So a couple new things that I actually discovered this past week myself that our old version of the attendee experience used to do, but you can actually sort multiple columns on here. Let's first use some filters to clean up our list a little bit. So we'll go through and let's see. There we go. Segments. So I'm only looking at my track entries now, but you can actually sort by multiple columns here in our batch screens. Let me just take class out of there since we're not using that. Now let's see, that'd be in the columns here. There we go. All right, so let's say that we wanted to sort this by group. How many people are going to be in that one at this event? So there you go, sorting by group first. We can now see how that went for how many people are in our novice group versus advanced. Then let's see, what else can we sort by? Let's say if we did this by registration status as well. So if I hold the shift key and then left click on one of these, it'll give me a second sort on there. Looks like this one, I know the date registered currently does override whatever the first choice is right now. So as you can see, that's still ordered, but it's first going to order by who's confirmed versus new here. But that is one of our features that is available. The other one would be our saved views as well. So say if you get one of these screens that's all doctored up the way you like it, and you want to be able to easily revisit this each time without having to go through all the same steps, this views button is actually a good way to do that. If we go to create new view here at the bottom, we can create a name for it and say we have that for the confirm versus new registrations. So if I go back to that same entry screen again, looks like it'll keep it right now. But let's say I go ahead and change all this up, reorder everything. I can go back to that views and get this exactly how we had it when we first saved it. And there's no limit to how many of these views you can create. So as many of those as you like, just make sure to name them something that you'll remember. And I hope that makes your job a little bit easier to sort out some of your entries or your attendee list before your event. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team, and any one of us is happy to help. Have a good one.